Hello students, good morning everyone. Already I have completed Unit 2 Prose 2 When the Trees Walked by Ruskin Bond. Is it clear to you all? Okay, now I am going to recall all the three sections in very short. Okay children? Come, let's move on to recall. In section 1, we have seen how author spends his time with his grandfather and grandmother in a village, and the area was planted with more and more trees. In section 2, grandfather explains him the importance of trees and why we grow forest. Forest is the place which gives shelter for animals, birds, and also gives food for them. And in third section, we saw author settled down in abroad and also came back at. So as of now we completed first section, and these are the meanings which we learnt in last class itself. Now I am going to read it out. Listen. Fertile means able to produce a lot of plants or crops. Abundant means left without care, and vigorous means healthy and strong. These are the three synonyms from section 1 of the prose When the Trees Walk, written by Ruskin Bond. Okay children, I hope you all understood this first section. See how the grandfather maintains the trees, and also he liked trees very much, and we should learn from him that we should not cut down any trees. Okay children, this is only first section. Protested, opposed or disagreed. Nightmare, a frightening dream. Interfering, stopping. These are the synonyms from your second section of prose 2 When the Trees Walked. So far I covered first and second section meanings. Okay, now we move on to third section. We move on to section 3. First we are going to see glossaries of section 3. Rambling means wandering. Wandering means going one place to another. Sprout. Sprout means when seeds begin to grow. It is one of the stages of the seeds. When seeds begin to grow, we call it as sprouts. And third one is spectacular. Spectacular means eye-catching, very attractive to the eyes. And fourth one is beckoned. Beckoned means to signal with our hand or ask the person to come closer or follow. We call someone by using signal, no, that is beckoned. And now it's time for your assignment. This week we have completed all the three sections in prose 2 unit 2. So in last class I also gave you some book back exercise, and I taught you question answers, and also I gave you some mind map to easily understand your prose. So now it's time for your test. What you are going to write? Yes, very good. We discussed all the three sections meanings in this video, is it? So now today your homework or assignment is you are going to write a test sincerely by using all the three section meanings. These three section meanings I revised it, right? So now today you are going to write all the three section meanings. Okay children, I hope this will be very useful to you. Did you understand it clearly? It is very easy. You have more than, in first section you have 3 synonyms, and in second section you have another 3 synonyms, and in section 3 you have only 4. So totally you have only 10 synonyms. Catching, very attractive. This is very eyes. Easy also. And fourth one is beckoned. So, beckoned again, means I request you all to complete your assignment and the test. Okay children, here I revised you the meanings, all the three section meanings in this video. So I hope this is very clear to you, and again I am telling you, your response means us a lot. Your response is very important to us. Please kindly response for all your subjects, okay children? So as we discussed in this video, now you are going to write all the 10 synonyms test. Okay children, thank you so much. I hope you all clearly understood second prose from unit 2, when the trees walked by Ruskin Bond. So now you are going to write all the 3 section meanings. Okay children, thank you so much. If you have any doubt, please clarify with me. Thank you children.